Can I claim for a personal injury when I suffered a burn? Even the best personal injury lawyer agrees that accidents might take place any place and any time. So if you happen to be in this predicament, you are unable to avoid thinking where you can look for help. Burn injuries commonly happen in the workplace. These common accidents include poorly wired electrics. Businesses have a responsibility to have offices correctly wired. Workplace fires need clear hazard signs. Hot machinery that should also come with a warning. Radiation, handling of hot liquids and objects, inhalation of toxic fumes need protective headwear and clothing to prevent this. There are also three main types of burn. Superficial burns are red but only hit the skin's surface. Partial thickness burns go in deeper and are more damaging to your skin. These will dry red and eventually go blotchy. Full thickness burns occur when all skin layers are burned. This affected area will turn a different color. But needless to say, you can't accomplish this alone. You're in need of professional assistance for you to obtain what you ought to have. It is merely right to pursue your oppressor in order to seek justice for the damages which you get out of the accident. The right attorney could take on a case involving slip and fall injuries and offer comfort. This group of professionals will determine who is at fault and then take action to make sure that all the legal routes are taken care of. Before the client knows it, the case will be resolved and they will be able to enjoy the rewards. Burn cases tend to be no win, no fee. So if you win a personal injury claim, you will receive compensation for injuries suffered, future treatment you may need in the future, loss of earnings or loss of job, medical bills as well as emotional trauma and family care. All this depends on the severity of the burn injury. Employers are obliged by law to ensure safe working conditions, and it is this key factor your personal injury lawyer can emphasize to win the case. Also common is what is known as an internal burn. These are through airways and lungs, and symptoms include sore throat, burnt tongues as a result of eating hot foods, wheezing, inhaling soot or fumes. Again, you can file an injury claim if these are the result of negligence. The company you work for may have an environment where you are inhaling fumes, or your skin may burn if exposed to radiation. You can claim for a personal injury when you have suffered a burn, but only if it is the fault of someone else. If you were not alerted of workplace hazards, subjected to an environment that caused skin injuries, had toxic chemicals spilled on you, or been in a workplace fire that was caused by the company, then you can lodge the claim. In searching for the best personal injury lawyer in your area, you have to make sure that you are hiring the right attorney so that you could ensure to get the appropriate compensation. So regardless of the nature of your injuries, the amount of your medical-related expenses and lost pay, you will want to hire an attorney in case an insurance firm or government agency is declining to make any sort of reasonable settlement.